July 13th, 13th. That little blue hive you see there is a swarm out of a swarm trap I brought back. Dropped off. It was from about 4 miles behind the camera down the road. So I just brought them over here to this yard since I was one down from here. Moved a little bit, brought some honey, moved it around, gave some of these guys some honey. And just let you see how massive of a flow we've got going on. There was maybe 4 or 5 tablespoons of honey in that. I brought it over here, set it in the bed of the truck, cleaned up all the other stuff. I mean, there's a swarm trap. Took a box off because they didn't draw any, didn't put anything in it. I mean, those combs are completely empty when I put them in here, and they're just all over them. So that tells you that this yard there, at this time, there is no flow whatsoever. I know sourwood is done because I went up on the mountain and checked those hives, and it's done blooming. So I am definitely in the dearth at all of my yards. So I would suggest that anybody that opens their hives during the dearth, do it early in the morning. If you still haven't pulled your honey, I've got to go pull honey tomorrow. Do it early in the morning to keep the snoopers and robbers away, so they're out looking for something other than right at the hive stands. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and thanks to the ones that have already subscribed.